Creating a household budget is a training that has enough components to be its own training. But here, just let me explain that a lot of my clients think that they have a budget, but they do not. They think that because they put their money in the bank, pay their bills generally on time, and they balance their checkbook, they think that they have a functioning budget. Be sure that when you're developing a budget, it has at least these 4 components. An effective budget is going to extend across 12 months. It's going to have income and expenses, including those expenses that are sometime expenses, like birthdays, and the income that is not a monthly income, let's say a tax return. Also include recreation and miscellaneous items in your budget. A lot of people forget those. And then put it into a spreadsheet so that you can actually automatically calculate the totals on a monthly basis, but also across those different expenses. It's a great idea at the end of the year to see that you spent $472 on fast food in the year. When I work with people on budgets, I make a point to let them know that you want to be sure to complete the budget with your expected amounts for that 12-month period, but then you want to come back every month and report entering the actual amounts you spent in all the different areas. And again, including the recreation and the miscellaneous. Let's say you stopped at Starbucks and spent $5 every Tuesday for a lunch meeting. Recognize that your budget is a tool to identify exactly where your money is going. We want to use the budget to make sure that your needs are met on a schedule and that we anticipate the needs that you have. But tracking is not the only reason for a budget. Projection is potentially the most important of its functions. Projection allows you to plan for large expenses like vacations and Christmas giving. But also it allows you to plan for large income increases like tax refunds. This planning is not just about being ready, it's about being informed and making the most of those financial positions.